Hello, my name is Emma, and today I will be taking you through an example of a phylogenetic tree using makeup. I will be using some keywords from genetics class, so let's review. The first word is anagenesis, which refers to gradual evolution within a lineage or species over time. The second word is cladogenesis, which is the splitting of one lineage into two. This is when you start to see the branches that make up a phylogenetic tree. Next, OTUs refer to the operational taxonomic units, which can be observed through differences in DNA sequences. The OTUs are what help calculate and construct rooted phylogenetic trees. Rooted trees show the relationships between species, meaning each internal node represents the most recent common ancestor of its descendants, which are seen as branches. Lastly, an outgroup in a phylogenetic tree represents an OTU that diverged earlier, and it roots the tree as a common ancestor to all other OTUs. So here are the branches and construction of my phylogenetic tree. I would like to discuss the two makeup products that are most closely related, being mascara and eyeshadow. Genetically speaking, this would mean that they have the lowest number of OTUs, or the smallest amount of differences. Cladogenesis also had to occur for the two makeup products to diverge into their own purpose and lineage, even though they originated from one common ancestor. Next, I have placed the eyebrow pencil as a lineage below mascara and eyeshadow. Eyebrow products are definitely in their own category, but are closest to eye products. Since they are gradually evolving in their own lineage or branch, you could observe anagenesis for this product. Then, blush and bronzer diverge next, which have very similar niches of providing color for the cheeks. If makeup were considered species on a tree, then the internal node right before the blush and bronzer diverge into two branches is the most recent common ancestor. This could be one form of color for the cheeks in a red-brown type of color. Maybe back half a century or so, something like that could have existed. Going from blush and bronzer, highlighter diverged earlier as its own lineage for brightening the face. Highlighter has developed and evolved over the years into many different forms, including liquid, powder, and gel. The last cladogenesis is the divergence between foundation and concealer. These products cover the skin to provide a smooth and healthy look. Concealer developed to be a bit thicker and fuller coverage, whereas foundation is for an all-over healing effect. And last but not least, but maybe most important, self-tanner was the first to diverge in the world of makeup into an entirely separate category. Since self-tanner diverged from the rest of makeup so early, it roots the tree as a common ancestor for all makeup products and serves as the outlier. The self-tanner would genetically be defined as the outlier as long as it has the most OTUs in the phylogenetic tree.